Hello and welcome to Meadow Brown Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add seeds or nuts onto bread. You can actually use the same method for adding oats on top of your bread. Before we get started, head over to my website, MeadowBrownBakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. So I've got some baking paper here and I'm going to put my sourdough dough on it. This is ready to go in the oven. So it's been in the fridge for a few hours to firm up. And flip it onto there. Okay, like that. If you've got a spray bottle, you can use a spray bottle, but I don't have one right now, so I'm going to use a pastry brush and water. Making this moist helps the seeds stick on top. Okay. So I've got the flour that I'm brushing off is flour that helps stop my bread from sticking in the banneton. Okay. Now I'm going to, for this one, I'm going to use sesame seeds. Like this. You see? If you need some more, you can add more there. Just tap it down so that they stick. It works obviously a lot easier when you have smaller seeds. Poppy seeds are great too. I've added poppy seeds to my sourdough before. Next step I'm going to do is to score my bread. It's not necessary, but I like to do it. So this one, I'm going to start from this side, just using a sharp razor blade. Go all the way across. Okay, like that. If it's not deep enough, you can go around again. Like that. And I think I'm just going to do a little design on here. This one's not going to be deep because I don't want it to open up. These are like a few scratches, and you will see the actual design when it comes out of the oven. Okay, clean it up a bit if you want. Just remove this excess. Or just bake it together, it doesn't matter. You can always remove them when it's baked. Now, I bake my sourdough in this enamel roaster. Okay. So I'm going to lift this up and put it in. Just neaten this. And rip off excess paper. You won't need these pieces to lift it out when it bakes, because it'll be a lot easier to take out than to put in. Okay, now I'm going to close it. Now it's going in the oven for a few minutes until well risen and nice and golden brown on top. Okay, that's my sourdough. It's nice and baked, and you can see the seeds are stuck on top. And thanks for watching, and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.MeadowBrownBakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.